Tired of scattered YouTube data? Let's bring it all together into Qlik Sense for killer insights in just a minute and a half. First, open your Qlik Sense hub. We're going to create a new app specifically for our YouTube analytics data. Click on the Create New App button, usually found in the top right corner. Give your app a descriptive name, like YouTube Analytics Dashboard, and click Create. This will open a blank app where we can start building our data connection. Now, open the app and click on Add Data. This is where we'll connect to YouTube Analytics. Select Web File from the options in the URL section. You will need to provide the specific YouTube Analytics API endpoint. This URL requires the specific dimensions and measures you want to extract from YouTube. Along with your Google API key, you'll need a Google Developer account and API key to access YouTube Analytics data. Don't forget to specify the date range and metrics in the parameters. After you have entered the correct URL, click the Connect or Open button. Qlik Sense will fetch the data. You may be prompted to authenticate with your Google account associated with your YouTube channel. Review the data preview to ensure Qlik Sense has correctly imported your data. You can select specific fields to load. If you don't need everything, click the Load Data button to begin importing the data into your Qlik Sense app. Once the data is loaded, Qlik Sense will index it for analysis. Now you can start building visualizations. Drag and drop dimensions, like video title, and measures, like views, to create charts, tables, and other visualizations to explore your YouTube channel's performance. Experiment with different chart types and filters to find insights into your audience demographics, video engagement, and overall channel growth. Use these insights to optimize your video content strategy and boost your channel's success.